It's time for a brand new season of the European Le Mans Series to start, and right here at Circuit de Barcelona, Catalunya. What a wonderful place to kickstart the brand new campaign.
The rules changed a lot on the LMP2. First of all, we have now this Pro-Am Championship, which is great for us. This is what we're going to fight for. We're going to fight back tomorrow. I mean, the car's a great pace on the longer stints. So we are sure we're going to come back. And as we have seen today, it's going to be a very eventful race. A lot of things can happen here.
Waiting for the red lights to go out. They will do so now. And the silver nose of Antonin Borga definitely pressurising the Spanish racing car. More lights flashing from Antonin Borga, who leads the Pro-Am division.
Yeah, that's a fantastic start of the season and a great start for this new team. Amazing job from the whole crew, from the drivers. The LMP3 did a very beautiful race without any mistake. LMP2 first podium as well on the Pro-Am category, really good. The pace was not amazing on our car, but we had a very good strategy. And in the end we finished on the podium. Very strong points for the championship. So overall a very cool day for cool racing.